Hey everyone, welcome to our video on making money online. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the different ways you can earn money through the internet. We'll be taking a look at some of the most popular and effective methods such as affiliate marketing, dropshipping, creating and selling your own products, and offering services. We'll also be sharing some tips, tricks and examples to help you get started on your journey to make money online. So, whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash, or a stay-at-home parent looking for a way to supplement your income, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and get started. As we mentioned earlier, there are many different ways to make money online. Some of the most popular methods include affiliate marketing, dropshipping, creating and selling your own products, and offering services. However, there are also other ways such as online trading, online tutoring, stock photography, and many more. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This method is great for those who don't have a product of their own to sell and don't want to spend money on inventory. Dropshipping is another popular method. It involves acting as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. You don't have to worry about creating or stocking products, you just need to focus on marketing and making sales. This method is great for people who want to test their business idea without investing a lot of money. Creating and selling your own products is another way to make money online. This method allows you to have full control over your products, pricing and branding. It's a great way to build a loyal customer base and establish a brand. This method is ideal for entrepreneurs who have a unique idea and want to create a brand around it. Lastly, offering services is another way to make money online. You can offer your skills or expertise to people or companies who need them. It's a great way to monetize your skills and knowledge. This method is ideal for people who have a specific set of skills and want to offer their services to the world. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. In the rest of the video, we will be diving into each of these methods in more detail, including the pros and cons, and some tips and tricks to help you get started. So, stay tuned and let's make some money online.